So, you accidentally formatted your hard drive by mistake. All your photos, work files, maybe even years of memories gone. Don't panic. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to recover data from a formatted hard drive and explain why this is even possible in the first place. Here's something most people don't realize. When you delete or format a drive, your files aren't instantly destroyed. Instead, the operating system simply marks the space they occupy as available for new data. The files themselves remain physically on the drive, but invisible to you. That's why it's so important not to use the drive after formatting, because that can overwrite your lost data and make recovery harder. Step 2. Use a reliable data recovery tool for DD. Whether you accidentally deleted your files or formatted your hard drive, it's almost impossible or really difficult to manually recover data from a formatted hard drive by oneself. So I'm here to show you how to get them back using one of the best recovery tools, 4DDig. With top performance and security and efficiency, 4DDig can help you recover most of your files with only one click. I've put the download link below. Let's try it now. Launch 4DDig and select the hard drive you already formatted. Select the type you want and click the Scan Deleted File Types button. This will take a long time, depending on how much data you have on your hard drive. But once it's done, you'll see a list of recoverable files. As you can see, 4DDig data recovery has a very wide gamut of acceptable file types. Select what you need and save them to a different drive. Don't export them back to your external hard drive to avoid them being overwritten. And that's it. Your files are back. Recovering data is not always the perfect solution. So, how to avoid losing data? The smartest thing you can do is avoid data loss in the first place by creating regular backups. Thankfully, the 4DDig Partition Manager makes this super easy with its built-in backup feature. Let me show you how to use it step by step. First, open 4DDig Partition Manager and look at the right-hand panel. Click on Backup. Next, choose Disk/Partition Backup. Then select the hard drive or partition you want to back up. Then, pick a storage location where you want to save the backup, ideally on a different drive or external disk to keep it safe. Finally, click Start and let the 4DDig handle the rest. In just a few moments, your entire disk or partition is securely backed up. And that's it. Now you're protected. Even if something goes wrong in the future, you can simply restore your backup and avoid all the stress of data recovery. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about backups or data recovery. Stay safe and see you.